I'm going to show you a stacked bar chart, but with percentages. So the traditional way that it's kind of done is, say I have segment here and I have sales. Okay, I've got like a standard bar chart like that. And now I want to color them by, let's say, category. So within each one, I've got category inside. Okay, so we can see it like that. And if I add sum of sales to the label, you'll be able to see that value there. Now, a lot of people, when they want to show percentages, they'll make the percentage in here, right? And not the axis. But even when they do the axis, they don't do it per column. So let me show you what I mean. You can either show the percentages like this, quick table, percent of total, and now you have the percentages inside. I'll just zoom in so you can have a look. Okay, but it doesn't show percentage in the same sizing across all three. So the other way they do it is, let me just undo. If I do percentage on this one, percent of total, right? You actually have the same bar, but the axis changes and the shape won't change because as a whole, the splits are the same. So the way to make this kind of normalize across all the bar is you have to right click on this one, go compute using, and table down. And that makes sure that the percentage is calculated per column and it makes all the bars the same height, right? As you can see. And from here, it's much easier to compare the percentages. So if I change this one to percent of total, okay, you almost don't even need it. You can kind of see, well, wow, technology makes up a much larger part in this one, right? Furniture is a lot smaller in here, for example. So it's a variation on how you do percentages. And when it comes to visualization, you want the visualization to tell you the results, not the person necessarily reading numbers and text, if you can, because it's just so much easier to transfer that information. As a simple example, you can do something like this, subcategory and sales. And if you give that as a report, it's fine, but it's not the same as doing something like this, for example, right? If you want to say, well, what's the one with the lowest sales? And you did something like this, lowest to highest, entire view, that is way more impactful than just a little table or even a bar chart with no colors, no text, and it's not ordered in any way. Okay, that's the whole idea when we're doing data visualization, in that depending on what problem you're trying to solve, what is the most suitable visualization to answer that problem very quickly with little ambiguity. By the way, I teach all of this stuff on my website, so be sure to check that out at Jellyman Education. If you have other topics or videos you guys want me to cover, please drop me a comment. Until next time, I hope you enjoyed, and bye.